Hatchimals. Today we have the new Hatchimals Shimmer Babies.
The Shimmer Babies! Yes! We got the Shimmer Babies! And it says, who will you hatch? So we're going to go ahead, unbox it today, take a look, and then we'll unhatch them. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay. Okay, let me open it up and we will be right back. Okay, so we are back. And we got the open, and it looks like a little cute egg carton. And we have a collector's guide over here. So, yeah, so you gotta rub the eggs until they hatch. So you gotta rub the heart, just keep rubbing, and it'll hatch soon. Keep rubbing. Keep rubbing.
Why does it turn like that?
Because that's what it's supposed to do.
It must hatch.
Yeah. Is it gonna hatch soon?
It's hatching.
Does it open right here? Alright, well she's working on that. We'll take a look at these. So you get these cute little figures that don't come in the eggs. Aww, looks like a cute little kitty cat. Very cute. Got sparkly wings. So tiny but adorable. And then we have a cute little monkey with a star on his eye. Oh yes, I'll do that one next. Hold on, we're just gonna take a look at these. Sparkly wings. And she wants me to do this one.
Film it.
Yes, I am filming.
No, film the heart.
Yes, I am. Okay, so we just gotta rub it. And the heart's changing color as we rub. Yeah.
And then hatch.
Yeah. These ones actually are a lot harder to hatch than the other ones. Is it getting there?
Pushed it.
You did. Oh, it's hatching.
Oh, it looks like the Among Us.
Harper's is hatching.
Look,
Yes.
it looks like a mask.
It does. It looks like an Among Us, huh? Cool.
Hatching.
He's hatching. Yes, he got it. Oh, cool. And what'd you get? Let's take a look at him. Oh, he's so cute. What is he? Is he another cat? He kind of looks like the first one. He's got sparkly wings. They're so shimmery, and they got little diapers on. They're so cute. That's a rainbow egg. Look at that one.
Look, I have the ultra rare one.
And then there's the ultra rare egg, as Harper says.
Look at this one.
This is the one I started, so we'll keep on rubbing this one. While we're rubbing it, we'll take a look at these guys. Aw, these ones are furry. Look. He's so cute. It looks like a little koala bear. And he's got shimmery wings too. He's very fuzzy. And then we have this little guy right here. He's winking. Looks like a little puppy dog. Aww. Oh, it's a puppy dog mermaid. That's cute. It's got a little bow on its head. And it's got the shimmery wings too. Very cute. See, Harper? Look at the puppy dog mermaid. Oh, very cute. And we got these other eggs right here. We got 4. So these are not as easy to hatch as the other ones that we had before, because the other ones, I mean, you could just really take them out and just hatch them so easily. And then they come with little accessories right here. It looks like a little pacifier in a bottle. Very cute. Is it hatching? And Harper's hatched the second one! Yay! two? Oh my! Look at them!
Ultra rare.
They're the ultra rares. So these are twins. They came in the same egg. Oh, they're cute. It's a boy and a girl twin. Look at them. Oh, they're so cute. One's blue, one's pink. Oh,
Film the dog.
they're adorable.
Then look at the dog paw. It's colorful.
Yeah, I see it.
Look, he's holding a whistle and tape.
Yeah, he's holding whistle and tape. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. That's crazy, Harper.
We gotta rub it.
Yeah. Gotta rub it.
I don't know what it is.
What can it be?
I don't know. Why is this one not changing colors?
I don't know. Is mine changing color? Alright, so I was rubbing mine. I finally got it to start hatching. So Harper's gonna finish the hatching on this one. Okay, so we worked on the eggs. We were actually rubbing for a long time, but all we did was I squeezed them like hard. And that kind of cheated the way to get to the result faster instead of waiting and rubbing forever. So if you're an adult, yeah, you could just squeeze them really hard and they will crack. So I got them all started for hearts. Oh, it's a mermaid! She's pretty! Let's take a look at her! Oh wow! Look at her! She's beautiful! I like her! She's got sparkly wings and sparkly hair and sparkly eyes. Very pretty. And the next one we got, oh, what is it? Is that a bunny rabbit? It kind of looks like a little bunny. Yeah, it's a little bunny with wings. Oh, so cute. And then we got a little, what is that? Is that a bird? Is it a bird? Or is it it might be a tiger. It kind of looks like a tiger in a way, but it kind of looks like a horse. I don't know. And then what else we got?
Egg fighting.
Egg fighting.
He's a monster.
Alright, well, while she's doing that, we'll take a look at this guide over here to see if we can match them up. So, let's take a look here. We have this little guy. Do we see him on there? Let's look on the other side. Oh yes, here he is. Okay, so this little guy is the Caramella CollEGGtibles Mermal. Those are some names right there. And he is a 1 dozen, I guess a 1 in a dozen, I guess that means. The purple ones. Very cool. Okay, so next we have is this little guy. And it actually looks like her right there. Kinda, wait, I don't think that's her though. She doesn't have the music note on the head. So look at the other side to see if we can find her there. Oh, there she is. She's right there. She's the edgy unicorn. And she is a pink. So the pink is common. Okay. So then we have the little bunny right here. And she is, let's see, the little bunny, where's the little bunny? Is that her right there? It kind of looks like her. I think that might be her. I'm thinking that's her right there, yeah. She's the ballet bunny. And she's a common. Yeah. We got the little cat with the bow. And the little cat with the bow is Fuchsia Foxfin. And she's a common. Yeah? And then we have the little monkey with the star on his eye. So the little monkey with the star on his eye. Where is he? Oh, there he is. He's the Melody Monkiwi. He's a common. And we have this little guy with the headphones. He's kind of cute. Look at him. He's got sparkly wings. Aww. He is... That's him there. Pink. He's a different color than what shows on there. But that looks just like the Tanner Tigrette. No, that's not him. Because his one eye's closed. So keep looking. Let's look at this other side here. See if we can find him. No, don't see him there either. Where is he? Oh, there he is. It's at the top. I just didn't see him because he looks yellow and he looks more green in person. So that's him right there, the Toppin Tigrette. And that's a common. Then we have this little guy, a little cat, pink cat. The little pink cat is right there. Flowery Foxfin, and she is a common. And we have this little mermaid. I think she's my favorite one. She's so cute. Maybe she's an ultra rare.
Why is she ultra rare?
I hope she is, because she's so cute. She is the Mermina Baby Pixie. That's her right there. She is a ultra rare. Look at that. Yeah, she's the blue ultra rare. Aww, I knew there was something special about this one because she's just so pretty and her hair's so sparkly and her wings, everything. So yeah, she's an ultra rare. So we got our first ultra rare. And then we have this little guy with a star on its eye. And where is he? Oh, he's right there. He is the Zaggy Zebra Schmermal. And he is a dark pink, so he is a rare. So we got a rare and an ultra rare. And then we got the 1 dozen one. And which other one do we have? Oh, we got this little guy, the little fuzzy mermaid dog. So let's see where he is. Little fuzzy mermaid dog. Oh, right there. He's the elegant elephant. Oh, he's an elephant. Oh wait, no, it's this one right here with the wink eye. See, he's got the winking eye. This one is...
Is that an elephant?
Elephant. Yeah, he's an elephant. I thought he was a mermaid. But that is 1 dozen. We got another 1 dozen. Then we got this little guy. He's cute. A little gold dude. And he is, or she is, let's see. Where is she? Let's look on the other side to see. Oh, there she is. She's right there. She is the Starlight Alicorn.
This might not be
Yeah, hold on. This is the Starlight Alicorn. It's her right here. And she is a limited edition. Oh, she's a limited edition. And you know what? She had the twin.
This is ultra rare.
That was the twin brother.
That's ultra.
Oh my gosh, it's ultra rare! It's Audrey from the Little Shop of Horrors. Oh my! So this is the other one. It's the twin that came in the same egg as the Star Bright Alicorn. So there's Starlight, which is the girl, and Star Bright Alicorn. And they are limited editions.
Yeah.
And then we have this little guy right here. Did we do this one yet? I don't know what he is. Oh, here he is. Zaggy Zebra Shimmery. And he is a rare. That's him right there.
Is he rare?
Yep, he's a rare. So we actually got quite a few rares and ultra rares. We got them all out, Harps.
Is that rare? Right here?
Yeah. So there's all of our little friends right there that we got. Very cute. Oh, we have one more. My bad. He got tossed across the table. This little guy with the paintbrush. Oh, this one's cute. I didn't see this one yet. But he got shiny wings. Very adorable. So let's find him on the paper.
Did you go there, Tom?
Target. You should have went to Target.
Shh. Okay, look. I'm making a video. Alright, there she is. She's right there. She's the Lovey Leoriel. Oh, she's very cute. And she is a common. But yeah, that's her right there. So there's all of our little friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. What do you say, Harper? Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Alright, bye. Bye. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.